Hello and welcome. This is Emmanuel Naweji. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the CIDR Pro Visualizer. This is a powerful and user-friendly web tool that I designed to help cloud and DevOps engineers quickly analyze CIDR blocks and plan network ranges with confidence. Let's start first by setting up the application locally. Open your terminal and run a git clone and then the URL that you see on the screen here. Then move into the project folder by running this command cd CIDR-visualizer. Now install all necessary dependencies by running these commands and npm install and also npm install. You use the command on the screen here. Once that's done, launch the development server by running the command npm run dev. Open your browser and head to this URL, this link here, localhost 3000. You'll see the main interface of the CIDR Pro Visualizer. Just enter a CIDR block, and the app will instantly display the subnet mask, the first and last usable IP addresses, and the total number of IPs in the range. It's quick, accurate, and built for real-world infrastructure work. You can toggle between light and dark mode for your preference, and the entire layout is responsive, so it works beautifully on desktop or mobile. At the top, you'll see also a tab called VPC Subnetting. Click on it to view real-world examples of how to break down a VPC into private and public subnets mapped to availability zones. This is incredibly helpful when you're building VPCs in AWS, Azure, or GCP and want to avoid IP conflicts or misaligned subnet plans. If you would like to share this tool with your team, you can deploy it using Vercel in just a few clicks. Push the code to GitHub, log into vercel.com, click New Project, import your repo, and your deployment will go live. You can even add a custom domain like CIDR.yourcompany.dev to make it team ready. And just like that, you've got a professional grade CIDR visualization tool that simplifies network planning for you and your team. If this video helped you, I would love to connect with you on LinkedIn. You can find me at this link here. It's ready to assist. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and God bless you.